Here we are again with the Cavalier, doing the Big 3 upgrade on it. Got the power wire already started, about to solder one of my ground cables. Got one side done already. Nice Thanksgiving morning, raining, horrible out. I'm going to be doing this all by myself. Got my little workstation right here. I'm not going to be doing this all by myself. See. Get the propane tank. Got my lead-free solder, my flux, and I forgot my attachment. 1 second. Got my 0 gauge terminals right here. About to start soldering this. About a 3/8 of it cut off, so you can get a nice good solder down in there. Here, I'm gonna put some flux right around my wire. You have to use flux or it won't stick at all. Put the terminal on now. Get a nice piece of solder out. This runs about 20 bucks for a pound of it. Get it right on the terminal, wait for it to get hot. Flux starts melting. And start putting solder in. This really ain't the best way to do it. Should use a vice grip or something, but I do not have access to one at the moment. What I like to do is take it around the terminal so you can get it nice and down in there. This ain't going to be a good looking one. You let it cool for about 10 seconds. And there you go. Nice solder terminal. Now, whenever this gets done cooling, I'm going to put it on the Cavalier and I'll be back then.